How do you check if a Gmail account is available? First, if you're already logged into a Gmail, you're going to need to get to the sign-in page a little bit different. If you're not logged in, you can go to gmail.com or mail.google.com. If you are logged into something and it takes you to this page, go ahead and click on the profile image and go down here to add another account. That'll take you to the sign-in page for Gmail. Now what happens here is you could just try to sign in as a different account. And so if I wanted to, this was the FlippyFin app Gmail. So maybe I wanted the FlippyFin business Gmail and I wanted to see if it was available. I'm going to type in the email here to the sign in and click next. If it says it can't find that Google account, that means that Gmail is available. If it takes you to a password page, then that's someone else's account and it's not available. So that's a quick way to just find out if something's available. Now, if you're creating an account, and so instead of signing in, you clicked on create account, you can go to whatever personal use for work or business. You're going to have to fill in something here for your name. Clicking next, it's going to ask you for other basic information. So it's going to take you down this road a little bit. That's going to take a little bit longer than that other version we had. And then we're going to hit next. And so we can click create our own Gmail address. And this is where maybe we could find out if certain Gmails are available. So I'll try this Gmail and click next. And it's going to say that username is taken, try another. So same thing. It's going to pop up with an error if it's taken. But the other way is a little bit quicker, and that's how you can check if Gmail accounts are available.